Here's some help for your GCSE speaking exam. Okay, so this is what you get to prepare with. Your teacher will play the part of the ticket office assistant in the Barcelona football stadium. This is key. Your teacher will speak first. And this is what they're going to say. So they give you the first part of what your teacher's going to say. Estás hablando con un empleado, una empleada. Depends on the gender of your teacher, nothing more. Del Estadio de Fútbol de Barcelona. And then your teacher will say, can I help you? And you go straight into this. You say, I want 2 tickets. So entradas are tickets, entrance tickets. And cuantas means how many. So you say, I want 2 tickets. Then your teacher will say, fine, good. And you ask, is there a discount for students? So you need the word I, which means is there. Then your teacher's going to ask you something unexpected. You can't prepare for this. You don't know what it is. Then after that, you have a little exchange based on what your teacher asks you, the unexpected thing. And then your teacher will ask you your opinion about the stadium and a reason. So you can say anything you like. You can say, I think the stadium's fantastic because it's where Barcelona plays and I love Barcelona. I think the stadium is very hot because it's in Spain. It doesn't matter as long as you say what you think and you say why. So you need the word because, por qué. Then your teacher will ask you something about your last visit to Barcelona and you can say, I came here last year, or if you can't remember the word for I came, you can say we went to Spain last year. I think you'll get away with that. And you need 2 details. So let's have a look at how you can do that. Estás hablando con una empleada del estadio de fútbol de Barcelona. Yo soy la empleada. ¿En qué puedo ayudarle? Quiero 2 entradas al estadio. Muy bien. Hay un descuento para estudiantes. This is your unknown question, and actually it's quite easy. How old are you, and what nationality are you? You need to know these things. Tengo 16 años. Soy inglés. If you're a girl, soy inglesa. Or soy galés if you're Welsh, soy galesa if you're a Welsh girl. If you're in the exam and you get an unknown question and you panic and you want a little bit more time just to have another shot at it, it's okay to say, perdón, puede repetir, por favor. And that is, sorry, can you repeat, please? Okay, so memorize that. Perdón, puede repetir, por favor, and I'm sure you'll be okay. Depende cuántos años tiene y de qué nacionalidad es. Tengo 16 años y soy inglés. So it's a boy talking. Hay un descuento. ¿Cuál es su opinión del estadio y por qué? This question is just a prompt for what you've already prepared. Pienso que es el estadio más importante del mundo, porque Barcelona juega aquí y Barcelona es el equipo más importante del mundo. Háblame de su última visita a Barcelona. There are some standard answers that you can use for these kind of questions. You can say, fuimos a Barcelona el año pasado. That's a past tense preterite, so that's good. You can say, hacía mucho calor, and that's, it was very hot, but it's an imperfect, so it's another tense, so that's good. Hacía mucho calor. And you can say, lo pasamos muy bien, and that's an interesting structure, and it means we had a great time. Lo pasamos muy bien. So learn those 3, and let's have a look at some ideas for this particular one that are un poco diferente. Vinimos aquí hace un año. hacía demasiado calor. Entonces mi hermano se puso enfermo. Pero yo vi el partido entre Barcelona y Real Madrid y Barcelona ganó. Okay, I don't lisp Barcelona because I learned to speak Espanol in Peru. Well done, you've got to the end. I think it's a good idea to learn some dialogues off by heart. Why not start with this one? Until the next time, adios.